let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 8 of chapter number 10 circles. Okay, and we are going to start the last exercise, optional exercise, though it is not important for the examination point of view, but questions are very good. So we are going to complete that exercise also. So let us start with the first question, exercise 10.2. Prove that the line of centers of two intersecting circles subtends equal angles at the 2 points of intersection. Okay, so let us draw the circle first, and A and B are the centers of these two circles, and the line joining the centers subtends equal angle at the point of intersection. That means we have to show these two angles are equal. Question is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
let us start that one. Let two circles having respective centers A and B intersecting each other at points C and D. Okay, now we are going to take these two triangles. We are going to prove these two triangles congruent. So these two sides are equal. Why?
Radius of the circle.
Right, and these two
Radii.
sides are also equal.
Radii of
Radii of the circle.
Right, and what about this side?
common.
Common side. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent by which criteria?
SSS criteria.
Very good. SSS criteria. So now we'll start these two triangles. AC is equals to AD, radii of the circle, and BC is equals to BD, radii of the circle, and AB is common side to both the triangles. So by SSS congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. So it will implies that these two angles are equal. Why?
CPCT.
Very good. So these two angles are equal by CPCT. Any doubt in first question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards the second question. Two chords AB and CD of length 5 centimeter and 11 centimeter respectively. That means AB is 5 centimeter and CD is 11 centimeter of a circle are parallel to each other and are opposite on opposite sides of its center. Center के दोनों opposite side में हैं. If the distance between AB and CD, perpendicular distance, okay, is 6 centimeter, find the radius of the circle. Okay, so let us draw the circle first. AB is a small AB and CD are two chords parallel to each other, and LM is the perpendicular distance between these two. इसका 6 सेंटीमीटर ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. सो इसको अगर OL को हम लोग x लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 6 minus x, and these two are radius, and we know that perpendicular from the center to chord bisects the chord, तो ये दोनों equal हो जाएगा 5/2. Similarly these two are equal 11/2. So diagram is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start with let O be the center of the circle. Join OA, OC, these two are radii, and since perpendicular from the center of the circle to chord bisects the chord, so AL is equals to BL is equals to half of AB, and the AB is given 5 centimeters, so both are equals to 5/2. And similarly CM is equals to MD is equals to half of 11, half of CD, that is half of 11, both are equals to 11/2. Okay, and let R be the radius of the circle, and OL is equals to x, so OM will be 6 minus x. Up to here, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now how many right triangles you have here? Try to identify the right triangles.
2.
Two.
Name them. Pranav Bisen, you tell me two triangles, two right triangles.
Sir, OMC,
Yeah.
LOA.
Okay, fine, very good. So we are going to take these two right triangles one by one. So पहले ये वाला right triangle ले रहे हैं, ध्यान से देखो. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, what you will get, Arpita?
Sir, AO square is equal to LO square plus AL square.
Very good. AO square is equals to AL square plus OL square by Pythagoras theorem. Now AO is the radius, that is r square, and the value of AL is 5 by 2, and OL we took x. So this is equals to r square is equals to 5 by 2 whole square plus x square. Let it be equation number 1. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards, we are going to take the another right triangle, that is OCM. Okay, yes, CMO. So again we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So what you will get if you apply?
OC square is equals to OM square plus MC square.
Very good. OC square is equals to CM square plus OM square. Now OC is R, so you'll get R square, and CM is 11 by 2, so 11 by 2 whole square, and OM is 6 minus X. So we'll substitute all this value. Now we will compare these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. दोनों का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड R square है. So from equation 1 and 2, these two are equal. Okay. Now 5 by 2 whole square, what you will get?
25 by
25 by
Right.
4.
And 11 by 2 whole square?
121. 121 by
Right,
4.
121 by 4. And what you will get? 6 minus x whole square.
36 minus x square.
Pranav, DVL Pranav, what you will get? 6 minus x whole square.
36 minus x square.
No.
Sir, 36
Sir,
minus x square.
A minus b whole square formula. A square
Yes,
plus b
minus-
square minus 2ab.
36 minus 2 into 6 into x plus x square.
Very good. So 25 by 4 plus x square, 121 by 4, 6 square plus x square minus 2 into 6 into x. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now we will shift this to this side. Okay. और इसमें ये वाला जो है हम लोग इस तरफ शिफ्ट करेंगे लेफ्ट साइड में. So this will become plus and this both will become minus. So shift कर दिए देखो. यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है?
No, sir.
This 2 will be cancelled and we will simplify this also because the numerator denominator are same, so we can directly subtract the numerator. Okay, so 121 minus 25,
96.
right, 96. 96 by 4,
24.
24 plus 36,
60.
60. So 12x is equals to 60. So what is the value of x?
5.
5, right?
5.
5. So we got the value of 5, but actually in the question we need to find the radius. So radius हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, अब इक्वेशन 1 लेंगे, इसमें x का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So substituting the value of x in equation 1, we will get this step. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now this will become 25. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, 25 plus 100 upon 4, that is 125 by 4. And what is the square root of 125?
5 cube.
15.
Sai Suhas? What is the square root of 125?
Sir, 15.
No. One 25 is 5 into
10 root 5.
एक मिनट रुक जाओ यार. 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, if you take square root, what you will get? 5 root 5.
5
root of 5.
Yes, 5 root 5. So what is the square root of 4?
2.
2. So answer is 5 root 2 by 2. 5 root 5 by 2. Hence, the radius of the circle is 5 by 2 root 5 centimeter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards the next question. The length of two parallel chords of a circle are 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. 6 centimeter is the smaller chord and 8 centimeter is the larger chord. If the smaller chord is at a distance of 4 centimeter from the center, what is the distance of the other chord from the center? So सबसे पहले हम लोग diagram draw कर लेते हैं. This is the smaller chord and this is the larger chord. Okay, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. And let the radius of the circle be r. So we'll join OA, OC, both are equals to r, and the distance between a distance from the center, distance of smaller chord from the center is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. And what we have to find, distance of the other chord, the larger chord from the center. OM निकालना इस question में. Okay, so we'll start with the write up work. Let AB is equals to 6 centimeter, CD is equals to 8 centimeter are the chords of a circle with center O. Join OA is equals to OC. Now we know that the perpendicular from the chord, from the center to chord bisects the chord. So AL is equals to LB is equals to half of AB. The length of AB is 6 centimeter. So half of 6 हो जाएगा 3.
3.
So both are equals to 3. Similarly, CM is equals to MD is equals to half of CD. So half of 8 will be equals to 4 centimeter. Okay, यहाँ तक clear है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now how many right triangle are here?
2 right
Two.
triangles.
Name them.
ALO and MOC.
Okay, fine, very good. But we have to take which right triangle? उसके लिए ध्यान से देखो. In this right triangle, only one is unknown. The other two sides are known. AL or OL. OL is 4 centimeter. And in this right triangle, both the two sides are unknown. OM as well as this R. So that is why we will take first right triangle AOL. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
let perpendicular distance of a chord AB from the center is OL and OL is equals to 4 centimeter. It is given in the question. Now we are going to take this triangle, right triangle AOL. By Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? Neha,
AO,
Neha,
AO square AL square AL is equal to AL square plus OL square.
very good. OA square is equals to AL square plus OL square. This is R, AL is 3 and OL is 4. So we'll substitute. Okay, so what is 3 square plus 4 square?
25.
25.
Okay, 9 plus 16, that is equals to 25. And square root of 25?
5.
5.
5.
Okay, so we got the value of radius. अब हम लोग ये वाला triangle लेंगे. In this triangle, what you will get if you apply Pythagoras theorem?
OC square is equal to CM square plus OM square.
Very good. So O in triangle OMC, OC square is equals to CM square plus OM square. This is R and this is 4 and this we need to find the value. Okay, R का value already मिला है, that we can substitute 5 square and we will shift 4 square to this side. So what you will get OM square?
9.
9.
25 minus 16, that is equals to 9. So what final value of OM is equals to?
3 centimeter.
Right, 3 centimeter. Hence, the distance of other chord from the center is 3 centimeter. Okay, any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number 4. Now this question number 4 is very very good question and very difficult also. Question बहुत लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है, तो थोड़ा एक बार read कर लेते हैं. So let the vertex of an angle ABC be located outside a circle. So that means one vertex is outside the circle of triangle ABC. And let the sides of angle intersect each chords AD and CE with the circle. अब देखो chords AD बोल रहा है और CE दो chords है और ये दोनों में ये 2 पॉइंट्स आ गया. सो कौन सा वर्टेक्स आउटसाइड द सर्कल है?
B.
B, right? It is not given, but you have to identify the B point. B vertex is outside the circle. Okay, and with the circle, prove that this is angle, है ना? Angle ABC is equal to the half of the difference of the angle subtended by the chord AEAC and DE at the center. Let me explain with the help of example, और थोड़ा डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन कर देते हैं. देखो ABC ये ट्राइंगल है, दिस इज द ट्राइंगल ABC, ओके, और AC CE और AD these are two equal chords, ओके. और ये दोनों इक्वल कॉर्ड जो है सेंटर पे कौन सा एंगल बना रहा है? देखो ध्यान से देखो, AC फर्स्ट AC कॉर्ड, this one chord AC subtends angle at the center AOC and the angle subtended by the chord DE. DE के लिए इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा. So this angle subtended by the chord DE and the half of the difference of this angle is equals to angle ABC. ये प्रूफ करना है. That means what we have to prove? Half of angle AOC minus angle DOE, that is equals to angle ABC. So question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Vertex B of angle ABC is located outside the circle having center O and side AB intersects chord CE at point E and side BC intersect chord AD at point D with the circle. Okay, and what we have to prove? Angle ABC is equals to half of angle AOC minus angle DOE. So for this we have to do one construction. We have to join OA, OC, OE and OD. Okay, so एक एक करके join कर रहे हैं, ध्यान से देखो. Last OD join कर लेते हैं. Right, construction is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right, now we know that the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So ध्यान से देखो, this angle AOC is double of this angle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Angle
sir.
AOC is double of this angle because both the angles subtended by this arc AC. So prove angle AOC is 2 times of angle AEC. The reason, you have to write the statement. The angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, so we can write half of angle AOC is equals to angle AEC. Let it be equation number 1. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now similarly अभी हम लोग arc DE ले लेते हैं. Similarly this angle is subtended by this arc at the center. Okay, this arc. और दूसरा एंगल कौन सा है? This one. इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. DAE भी लिख सकते हैं और ये भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so half of angle DOE is equals to angle DCE. Let it be equation number 2. Whether this 2 equation is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we will move further. We will subtract these 2 equations. ये दोनों इक्वेशन को subtract करते हैं. तो इसमें से we can take half common. From here also we can take half common. So if you take half common, we'll get half into angle AOC minus angle DOE is equals to angle AEC minus angle DCE. Let it be equation number 3. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Now
sir.
see, angle AEC जो है, ध्यान से देखो, AEC, this angle and this angle are equal to each other. Why?
Angles in the same segment.
Angles in the same segment. Very good. Similarly, these two angles are also equal. Okay, so we'll take this two. First, angle AEC is equals to angle ADC. The second one, angle DCE is equals to angle DAE. Let it be equation number 4 and equation number 5. The reason is angles in the same segment of circle are equal. अब हम लोग इसको रिप्लेस करेंगे इससे और इसको रिप्लेस करेंगे इससे. So what we will get? Angle ADC minus angle DAE. Whether equation number 6 is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sure? Okay. Now see, if you take this triangle, ध्यान से देखो, triangle ABD, this triangle. What about this angle? This is an exterior angle.
Yes, sir.
So this angle equals to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Which two interior opposite angle?
Angle DAE and angle DB.
Okay, right. Angle ABD or angle DAB. You can write DAE also, no problem. Okay, so angle ADC is equals to angle DAE plus angle ABD. Why?
Because angle ADC is an exterior angle.
Okay. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So now we are going to replace this angle ADC by this two. यहाँ पे substitute करेंगे. Clear? देखो substitute
Yes,
कर दिया हूँ. कुछ cancel हो रहा है right side में?
Yes, sir. Angle DAE.
Yes. These two are cancelled. So what is left?
Angle ABD.
Right, angle ABD. Now see, angle ABD जो है, that is equals to angle ABC because both are same angle. So we can write in place of angle ABD, angle ABC. So this is the final result. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. So I will upload the recording also. You please watch once again. Okay. Let us move towards the next question. That is question number 5. This is also a very good question. Prove that the circle drawn with any side of a rhombus as diameter passes through the point of intersection of its diagonals. So what is rhombus? Sai Suhas, what is rhombus? Harpita?
Sir, a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal.
Parallelogram. You start with parallelogram. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal. Okay. So let ABCD be a rhombus in which diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. And what is the property of diagonals of rhombus? Diagonals, right, diagonals bisect at right angle. Now, since diagonals of a rhombus bisect and perpendicular to each other, therefore this angle is 90 degree. Okay, and if we draw a circle with diameter AB, अगर AB को diameter लेके एक circle draw करेंगे, so definitely it will pass through O. Why? अगर हम लोग
There is only one circle which passes through 3 non-collinear points.
No, that is not the reason. So the reason is that angle in semicircle is 90 degree. Okay, AB को अगर हम लोग diameter लेके circle draw करेंगे तो यहाँ पे semicircle मिलेगा. See, if we draw a circle with side AB as diameter, it definitely pass through the point O, the point of intersection of diagonals. Why? Because angle AOB is equals to 90 degree will be the angle in semicircle. See this figure. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Hence, the circles drawn with any side of a rhombus as diameter passes through the point of intersection of its diagonals. So this is the proof. Now we'll move towards question number 6, which is the last question of today's session. ABCD is a parallelogram. The circle through A, B and C intersect CD, produced if necessary at E. Prove that AE is equals to AD. Produced if necessary means अगर वो D point जो circle के अंदर होगा, so if we produce then that it will be intersect at E. So we have two cases here. So let us start with the first case. Circle through A, B and C intersect CD at point E. That means D lies outside the circle. See this figure. ABCD is a parallelogram and D is outside the circle. So CD intersect circle at point E. This figure is clear?
Yes, sir.
Let this angle is 1, this angle is 3, this angle is 5 and this angle is 6. Okay? And our target is to prove these two angles are equal. 3 or angle 3 or angle 5 को equal proof करना है. So we'll start with ABCD is a parallelogram. So what can you say about these two angles?
They are
They are
equal.
Why they are equal?
opposite sides of a parallel.
Angles, not
Parallelogram.
sides. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So we'll start with that step. In figure ABCD is a parallelogram. So angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Let it be equation number 1. Reason opposite angles of a parallelogram. Now what is the sum of these two angles?
180
Why 180 degree?
linear pair.
Linear pair.
Right. Now what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degree.
180
Why?
degree.
Opposite angle.
Opposite angles of a parallelogram.
Lateral sum is equal to 180.
Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Right. So we'll start with that step only. Let here ABCE is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle 1 plus angle 6 is equals to 180 degree. Let it be equation number 2. The reason is opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Now angle 5 is also equals angle 5 plus angle 6 is also equals to 180 degree. Why? Because linear pair. Just now you told. Now from equation 1, 2 and 3, what can you conclude these two equation?
Angle 1 is equal to angle 5.
From equation 2 and 3, we conclude that angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So let it be equation number 4. लेकिन angle 1 किसके बराबर था?
Angle 3.
Angle 3. So if you compare these two, what you can conclude?
Angle 3 is equals to angle 5.
Right, angle 3 is equals to angle 5. यही हम लोग का टारगेट था. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में भी कहा था कि यही दोनों को प्रूफ करना है. So now angle 3 is equals to angle 5 will imply AD is equals to AE. Why?
Angles of sides opposite to equal angles.
Right. So in triangle AED, angle 3 is equals to angle 5 implies AE is equals to AD. The reason is that sides opposite to equal angles in a triangle are equal. So this is the first case. First case में हम लोग ये प्रूफ करनी है. अभी second case D को inside ले रहे हैं. Whether this is clear all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Now second case. Circle through ABC intersect CD produced at E. So this is the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram. जब हम लोग CD को produce करेंगे तो circle को intersect करेगा E पे. Then join AE. What we have to show? Here our target is to show these two angles are equal. Angle 6 is equals to angle 5. So target याद रखना. Okay. So we'll start with the same step what we did in the previous case. angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Why?
Angles in the
Opposite.
same segment.
No. Why angle 1 is equals to angle 3?
Opposite angles of a parallelogram.
Very good. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. So ये वाला clear है. Now what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degree.
Why 180 degree?
Co-interior angle.
Right. Okay. Now what is the sum of these two angles?
180 degree.
180 degrees.
180 degree. Right. Okay. Now what can you say about these two angles? Angle 5, angle 2.
Corresponding
They-
angle.
Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. They are equal. And what can you say about angle 6 and angle 1?
They are equal opposite
They are
sides.
equal.
No, not equal, not equal. The sum of angle 1 and angle 6 is 180 degree. Why?
180 degree.
Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So अभी एक एक हम लोग use करेंगे, right? So we'll start with angle 2 is equals to angle 4 also, because opposite angles of parallelogram. Now we'll start with AB parallel to CD and BC meets them. So the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree. Let it be equation number 5. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now next, AD parallel to BC and EC meets EC meets them. So angle 5 is equals to angle 2. The reason?
Corresponding angles.
Right, corresponding angles. यहाँ तक clear है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next we are going to take cyclic quadrilateral, जो मैंने अभी बताया था. Angle 6 plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degree. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll compare these two. Equation 5 or equation 7. What you will get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 6. Finally, you will get angle 2 is equals to angle 6. So we'll write from equations 5 and 7, we will get angle 2 is equals to angle 6. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
But angle 2 किसके बराबर था?
Angle 5.
Angle 5. So if you compare these two equation, if you compare these two, we will get angle 5 is equals to angle 6. यही हम लोग का टारगेट था. Now we can conclude AE is equals to AD. Why?
Sides opposite to equal angles.
Right. So in triangle AED, angle 5 is equals to angle 6 implies AE is equals to AD. The reason is that sides opposite to equal angles in a triangle are equal. Okay. So this is the last question of today's session, and we will move towards the next section, that is assignment questions. All 4 questions are there. इसका ये वाला diagram है, and the diagram of second question is this one. Diagram of third question is this one, and the diagram of fourth question is this one. Okay, so you have to complete all these 4 questions. These are very easy. You have to find the value of angles only. No need proof वाले questions नहीं है. So okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. Any doubt in today's session?
No, sir.
Okay, so I will upload this session after coming back from school. Okay.